I'm doing the same step that I've done earlier.
Okay.
Let's create a single role. Add a T code, any T code, SU53, enter, assign the transaction, authorization, change auth data. No need to give any user here right now.
Mm-hmm.
So this was the one role.
Okay.
Let's create a composite role.
Mm-hmm.
Save role, edit. See, you are not authorized to assign
Mm-hmm.
role.
Okay.
Means uh, we have details. Now let's close this and use SU53.
Mm-hmm.
See, we have opened SU. This is how SU53 actually looks like.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever any user comes with us that he's not able to access anything or perform any action, we ask for
Mm-hmm.
SC53 screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Mm-hmm.
also get this using a system. See, go to system, utilities,
Mm-hmm.
and display authorization check. Okay, this is a shortcut for SC53. It is by
Okay.
default provided to all the users.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now see, this tells us that the username. Okay, when was the last authorization check failed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is the system, client, time, date, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
now as these red means it was not successful. The T code didn't work. Okay,
Okay.
now we can see this is the instance. T code name is PFCG.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
type transaction. T code means
Mm-hmm.
transaction. Transaction name is PFCG and object name now. S underscore user underscore AGR.
Mm-hmm.
S underscore user underscore AGR and we it needs ACTVT.
Mm-hmm.
This should be the field values. Let's
Okay.
open. Let's slash OPFCG. Oh, sorry. Oh, this was the test role that was
Mm-hmm.
assigned to this user. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Now we go to authorization data.
Mm-hmm.
First thing what we do is we check this T code if the user has the T code or not. Okay,
Okay.
No, sorry. First thing we check is the system name and the client name. Client
Okay.
and system should be same. So
Mm-hmm.
we get this information here. See, S4H
Mm-hmm.
800.
Okay.
As for a system name, client name is 800.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to make sure that it is the same. These three here with S4H means three tabs are open. See,
Mm-hmm.
three
Yes.
tabs are open for S4H. So it means that. So leave it. Other than that, S4H 800. This is the main information that we need here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Once we have checked that, what we do is we check the T code name,
Mm-hmm.
PFCG. We check if the user have the T code or not. User have
Okay.
PFCG. Okay.
Okay.
If there was no T code, then we will have, we would need to have to add a T code
Mm-hmm.
instead of okay. So it has the T code, so it's fine. Now we'll go to authorization data,
Mm-hmm.
change authorization. See, here we have not added any T code or made any changes outside, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can use this change authorization data as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, uh, uh, authorization object s underscore user underscore agr.
Mm-hmm.
Let's find control F s underscore user underscore agr. Math and let's find the object. See, this is the authorization object.
Okay.
Okay. Now it has two authorization field. One is ACT underscore group.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Its
Mm-hmm.
value is star. So as it's given, well, it should be blank, but it's star. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
the second field is activity, activity.
Mm-hmm.
Now this tells us that its value should be 79.
Mm-hmm.
As we can see, activity 79 is not assigned.
Mm-hmm.
What does it say? Assigned role to composite role. So we tick mark it, save it. Okay.
Okay.
Data saved, generate the profile, and let's go back. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have made the changes. Let's create the composite role. Okay, role already exists. It's a composite role.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second.
Sure.
Yeah. All right. So now let's see if we can add that this any role to it or not. See, we were
Mm-hmm.
able to add the role.
Yes.
Save it. Menu option. Import menu. Roles have been imported.
Yes.
Save. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Here what we did here is we did the troubleshooting.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Okay.
steps in, we use these T codes. These
Mm-hmm.
are the main T codes. Now steps in troubleshooting. Ask for a screenshot of the error message.
Mm-hmm.
Error message means at the user's end means suppose they are not able to access their payroll or any table, they will get an
Mm-hmm.
error message. So we ask for that screenshot as well.
Okay.
Okay. Now we ask for that screenshot.
Mm-hmm.
So that to know if it's related to SAP security or not. Okay.
Okay.
What if because sometimes end users uh, uh, what they do is if they are not able to open anything, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it could be a technical issue as well. But they simply create a ticket for a SAP security team to check that I don't have authorization to it. I was using yesterday, but now I'm not able to use it. When
Mm-hmm.
when we check further that there is no SAP security issue. So
Mm-hmm.
to save our time, we ask for a screenshot of the error message. First
Mm-hmm.
thing. Second, ask for the screenshot of SU53.
Mm-hmm.
This is the most important. We can forget the error message screenshot, but we should always ask SU53.
Okay.
It will look like this. Similarly, that I have showed you.
Mm-hmm.
Transaction, name, object, field, its value, everything will be given.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the use of SU53 and this is how we troubleshoot actually. Now, give me a second. There are other T codes as well. ST01, SU56, right? Let me
Mm-hmm.
tell you about SU56. Hmm? Yeah, okay. Assign transaction, authorization, save, expert mode, this, full authorization, save, generate, and back. Okay. Now we will be using T code SC56.
Okay.
See, this is the screenshot, sorry, SC56. SC50, what SC56 is, it's the user information from login to log out.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
meaning what happens in SC56 is as soon as a user log into the system, a separate buffer is created, buffer or memory is created
Mm-hmm.
from the all and it which will record all the actions performed by him or her till the time he or they log out.
ओके मतलब एक पूरा सेशन स्टोर करता है ये.
Yeah, पूरा सेशन स्टोर करता है SC56. So
ओके.
if we are not able to get SC53 from the user, we check for SC56. Oh, sorry.
ओके.
Okay, we check for
ओके.
SC56.
Okay.
One more thing, as I've told you, that it stores the data from logout to login. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
as you can see, it has the data from the
Mm-hmm.
last till the last logout only.
Okay.
Okay. So what we do here is, to get the fresh data, we click on this button.
Mm-hmm.
Read again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it's not showing anything. See, we click on read again, or ask the user to log out and log in back.
Okay.
Okay. Once he have logged out, uh,
Mm.
we will get the fresh data.
Okay.
Okay. So SU56 is used for that. Similarly, like SU53, we get all the information like this field value is missing, this auth object is missing, this T code is missing. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's the use of SU56. See, it creates the last login to log out. Okay. Now, yeah, SM51. Was forgetting SM51. All right. Oh, sorry. So now we will use. I will tell you about ST01.
Mm-hmm.
ST01 is used to put a trace on the user. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
someone have put a tracker on you.
Mm-hmm.
So what will the tracker do?
Notice everything about me, like where I'm going, what I'm doing,
Exactly.
location.
Similarly, we put a trace on the user on the system.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens is, if we are not able to get any information from SU53 and SU56, we ask the user. Uh, uh, okay, we put a trace on the user using ST01,
Mm-hmm.
and ask the user to perform the action again. If he was okay, the action for which he have started the ticket, we
Mm-hmm.
ask him to start it again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what happens is,
Okay.
he will try to access that information. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
he won't be able to. And
Okay.
whatever they were authorization check, or whatever the information we get means, whatever he's missing, we get that
Mm-hmm.
information using ST01. This trace.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, means if he has opened any other T code, if he is uh, not doing any task correctly, we can check using ST01.
Mm-hmm.
Once done, uh, okay, we get the data. How we get the data? ST01. See, this is the Yeah. Right. Yeah. All right. So see, okay. So suppose we have to put a trace on my account. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We click on this. No. Actually, I'm not able to get the option to.
No issue. We can do that on Monday.